Crafting budget-friendly handmade woodcrafts with limited skill, time, working space, and materials is no longer a niche hobby reserved for those with fully equipped workshops and years of experience. It has become a powerful, accessible pathway for creativity, personal fulfillment, and income generation in today's woodworking landscape. At its core, this approach begins with a shift in mindset rather than an expansion of resources. Instead of asking what tools or skills are missing, it focuses on what is already available: scrap wood, basic hand tools, a small corner of a room, a few hours in the evening, and builds outward from there. This way of thinking removes the intimidation that often prevents people from starting, replacing it with curiosity and momentum. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The inspiration to begin crafting often comes from simple observations: a leftover board after a repair, a broken piece of furniture waiting to be discarded, or a desire to create something useful with one's own hands. In a world saturated with mass-produced items, the urge to make something personal, tangible, and meaningful becomes a quiet rebellion against disposability, and woodworking, even at the most modest scale, answers that urge beautifully. The significance of limited skill in this context is often misunderstood. Beginners frequently believe they must master complex joinery or advanced machinery before producing anything worthwhile, yet the modern woodcraft market tells a very different story. Many highly valued handmade items rely on clean lines, simple forms, and honest construction rather than technical complexity. Small shelves, trays, plant stands, wall hooks, and organizers can all be created using straightforward techniques that improve naturally through repetition. The learning process becomes organic, where each finished piece builds confidence and skill without the pressure of perfection. Mistakes are no longer failures, but design cues, leading to unique variations that distinguish handmade work from factory products. This gradual progression not only reduces stress, but also makes the craft sustainable for those balancing work, family, or other responsibilities. Limited time, instead of being a disadvantage, encourages efficiency and focus, pushing creators to design projects that can be completed in short sessions and still feel complete and satisfying. Working in a small space further reinforces this philosophy of simplicity and intention. A compact workspace, whether it is a balcony, a shared garage corner, or even a small indoor area, forces thoughtful organization and project selection. It eliminates the temptation to overproduce or overcomplicate, guiding the maker toward pieces that are manageable, portable, and purposeful. This spatial limitation aligns perfectly with budget-friendly crafting, as it naturally discourages the accumulation of unnecessary tools and materials. Basic hand tools such as a saw, hammer, measuring tape, and sanding block often become the foundation of the entire operation. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Over time, as skills and income grow, tools can be added gradually and intentionally, ensuring that each purchase serves a clear purpose. This slow, deliberate growth mirrors the craft itself, reinforcing a sustainable relationship with both money and materials. Material choice plays a crucial role in making budget-friendly woodcrafts viable for both personal use and income generation. Reclaimed wood, offcuts, pallets, and discarded furniture components become valuable resources rather than compromises. These materials are often free or inexpensive, yet they carry character and history that new lumber lacks. Working with reclaimed wood teaches adaptability, as each piece has its own dimensions, grain patterns, and imperfections. Instead of forcing uniformity, the craft adapts to the material, resulting in designs that feel organic and authentic. This adaptability becomes a competitive advantage in today's woodworking landscape, where consumers increasingly value sustainability and uniqueness. Handmade items crafted from salvaged materials resonate with buyers who appreciate stories, ethics, and craftsmanship, creating a strong emotional connection that elevates perceived value. The economic significance of budget-friendly woodcrafting becomes particularly clear when viewed through the lens of accessibility. Because startup costs are low, the financial risk is minimal, making it an attractive option for those exploring supplemental income or testing creative entrepreneurship. Small items with practical use and aesthetic appeal often sell consistently, as they fit easily into modern living spaces and budgets. The ability to produce these items without expensive machinery or large volumes of material allows creators to price them competitively while still maintaining healthy margins. This balance is essential in today's economy, where consumers are more mindful of spending but still seek quality and authenticity. By keeping production costs low and focusing on thoughtful design, even beginners can enter the market confidently, learning valuable business lessons along the way. Income generation through handmade woodcrafts is not solely about profit, it is also about empowerment and resilience. The act of turning simple materials into something people value reinforces self-reliance and creative problem-solving. Each sale, no matter how small, validates the maker's effort and encourages further exploration. Over time, this can evolve into a steady side income or even a primary livelihood, depending on personal goals and circumstances. Importantly, the scale remains flexible, allowing creators to adjust production to fit their available time and energy. This adaptability makes woodworking an appealing option in an uncertain economic climate, where diversification of income streams is increasingly important. Even for those who never intend to sell, the ability to create useful items for personal use reduces household expenses and fosters a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship and material value. The inspiration to start crafting often grows from a desire for meaning and connection in a fast-paced digital world. Working with wood offers a tactile, grounding experience that contrasts sharply with screen-based routines. The sound of cutting, the feel of sanding, and the smell of wood create a sensory richness that restores focus and calm. This therapeutic aspect of crafting is not incidental. It is a core reason many people continue even when financial rewards are modest. The process itself becomes a form of mindfulness, where attention is directed fully to the task at hand. In this sense, woodworking serves both emotional and practical needs, offering a creative outlet that produces tangible results. The satisfaction of completing a piece, however small, reinforces a sense of capability and purpose that extends beyond the workshop. In the broader context of today's woodworking landscape, budget-friendly handmade crafts occupy a meaningful and growing space. As consumers shift away from mass-produced goods and toward items with authenticity and sustainability, small-scale makers find new opportunities to thrive. Social media and online marketplaces have further leveled the playing field, allowing individuals with limited resources to reach global audiences. A simple, well-made item crafted in a small workspace can attract as much attention as a product from a large studio if it communicates quality and story. This democratization of craft challenges traditional notions of success in woodworking, proving that impact is not determined by scale, but by intention and connection. Ultimately, crafting budget and thoughtful craftsmanship create lasting value from the simplest beginnings. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments, and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video.